Tour, we're going to go over the Bushtec trailer. Recently, when we went to Wingding, we decided to pick up a trailer. While we were able to pack the 2018 Goldwing for a week-long trip with an extra bag, I'll put a link to that video in this video, we just felt going too up for any truly long distance. We needed a trailer. Alicia and I have aspirations to travel the country on the motorcycle for multi-weeks at a time. I've been looking for trailers for some time, even as far back as my 2005 Goldwing. We just never pulled the trigger. Doing all of this research, a few trailers seemed to come to mind, and the Bushtec was definitely one that came to the top of the list. This trailer is really lightweight, and I don't even notice it with the air ride system and the 360 ball hitch that comes along with this. Bushtec has a very unique trailer system because it is 360 degrees. Essentially, the pin goes on the bike, floats like that, and then you put the top on it and lock it. But that allows the bike to essentially pivot in many directions and without the trailer hitch possibly coming off like a standard trailer. And then to unlock, it's just the reverse. You unlock it, as soon as we can find it here, there we go. It pulls off and then removes. We added the optional cooler, which was about a $270 option, and we added the kickstand, which was about a $76 option. The kickstand just made sense to me since the trailer pretty much stays in the garage a good portion of the time. The cooler is really cool. It's just a standard Rubbermaid cooler with a nice leather case around it. But the one thing that's unique about it is inside the cooler, there's a drain plug in the bottom that allows you to drain the cooler without having to take it off of the trailer. It's a really nice feature. I elected to go with the black trailer versus the color match on the Goldwing. I figured this trailer is going to go through a couple motorcycle iterations, and black pretty much goes with everything. One of the things that really stands out with the Bushtec trailer is these 16-inch skinny tires. Because of the big radius of these, they track really well behind a motorcycle. The air ride system also adjusts the camber on these so that essentially the trailer will never bounce behind the Goldwing. It just makes for a really nice ride. It's 28 inches wide and 58 inches long. You'll need to remember that you're much longer when you're moving in and out of traffic and when you're trying to pull into a gas station. It does take a little bit to get used to. Moving to the back of the trailer, the latch is really nice. It's a double stop latch. Essentially, you release it once and the top will not come up in the wind. It's a really nice safety feature. And then you can essentially pull it up again and lift the unit up. Just like that. Let's take a look inside. It's fully carpeted, as you can see, and this really helps things from not moving around. You can see it's quite cavernous inside. There are 2 pockets on each side for the small stuff, and things just fit in here with no problem. Cost-wise, these trailers aren't cheap, but they are really good quality. We were thinking of getting a used one, but finding one that's color matched in the Goldwing or something color neutral like black around here was harder than you think. We had Bushtec add the trailer hitch and harness to the Goldwing while we were at Wingding, and they did a great job. This trailer has been a great addition and gives us the extra space that we need for those longer, multi-day, week-long rides that we have planned. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and click the subscribe icon. If you click the bell icon, YouTube will notify you when we release new videos. Thanks for watching MC Tour Ohio. We'll see you the next time.